A few years ago, I started to experience wrist pain while throwing on the wheel. It was really hard for me and I had to stop throwing for a while. Through this experience, I learned some techniques that help reduce wrist pain when doing ceramics. Wrist pain is a common part of ceramics. I'm going to show you some techniques, stretches, and exercises that have helped me with my wrist pain. The first technique I want to show you is slam wedging. Sometimes wedging can hurt your wrist because you're pushing on the clay while your wrist is overextended. This technique is pretty simple. All you have to do is throw your clay onto your table as hard as you can. Repeat this 60 to 100 times, and make sure to rotate your clay as you throw. Sometimes your clay may stick to the table. If it does, you can use a garbage bag or a cheesecloth to prevent this. If you don't have a cheesecloth, you can find a link to one in the description below. To use the cheesecloth or garbage bag, you lay it on the table and throw your clay onto the cheesecloth. Next, I'm going to show you some stretches I use to loosen up my wrist so that it doesn't hurt. To do the first stretch, you put your arms straight out in front of you and pull your fingers back towards your shoulder gently. Do this until you can feel it stretch but that it doesn't cause too much pain. And hold it for 15 to 20 seconds. To do the second stretch, you put your arms straight out in front of you again and pull your hand down towards your chest and hold this for 15 to 20 seconds. To do the third stretch, you stick your arms straight out in front of you, hold underneath the palm of your pinky, and flip your hand over, and you hold this for 15 to 20 seconds. For the fourth stretch, you again stick your arm in front of you, but this time with your palm up. Grab between the thumb and the index finger and pull the opposite direction, and hold this for 15 to 20 seconds. To do these exercises, you sit at the edge of a table so your arm can be at a 90-degree angle. When you're first starting, you're going to use a lighter weight, and as you get stronger, you can use a heavier weight. For the first exercise, you're going to hold your weight with your palm facing down and lift up. You'll do 3 sets of 10. For the second exercise, you'll hold your weight with your palm facing up, and again you'll lift up. You'll do 3 sets of 10. For the third exercise, you'll have your palm facing up again, and you'll twist your wrist back and forth. Again, do 3 sets of 10. Once I'm finished doing 3 sets, I'll move to the other side of the table so I can work out my other arm. Centering can cause wrist pain when we overextend our wrist. To correct this, position your thumb over your index finger. This makes it easier to use the muscles rather than the tendons. These techniques, exercises, and stretches have really helped me with wrist pain. If you are experiencing wrist pain, you should talk to your doctor before doing any of this. If you want to learn more about ceramics, make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out my website at ceramicsbyaddie.com.